What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we are going to make egg salad. Now, egg salad is really, it's not that hard. It's eggs and mayonnaise, But I found this recipe. My mom really liked egg salad. So one time she wanted some egg salad made. So I looked online and I found this recipe and it's amazing. It totally steps up your egg salad game. So now I don't love egg salad sandwiches, but egg salad on saltine crackers, yes, sir. That's the way to go. So anyway, that's what we're making, the special egg salad today. I'm gonna call it Lenell's egg salad. Lenell was my mom, so it's gonna be Lenell's egg salad. Anyway, guys, this is a recipe for that. If you are not a subscriber, please take a second and hit subscribe down below. We'd love to have you as watchers or subscribers or what you want to call it. We'd love to have you on board. Don't forget to hit like at the end of the video. Otherwise, guys, here it comes. Lenell's egg salad. What? We had a guess, by the way. All right, guys, in a pot of boiling water, we're going to put in 6 eggs. Cold eggs, boiling water. And use tongs. If you drop them in there, the littlest crack makes a big ugly mess. Maybe you make egg drop soup. All right, this is going to boil for 10 minutes. Okay, the 10-minute timer went off. We're going to take our eggs directly, using tongs, from the boiling water into the ice bath. Now, we did have one of our eggs that kind of had a crack that opened, so it's all good. These will go in here, and you're just going to let those set till they're completely cool, which doesn't take long. And then they are the easiest eggs to peel. Now, watch me say that, and I won't be able to peel these, but knock on wood, it has been, every time we do this, the eggs just right out of the shell. So we're gonna let that cool. So now it comes to peeling. You can peel it the old-timey way, but I actually saw this hack a long time ago on, it's either TikTok or one of the social media things. You take a mug and you put a little water in it, and you take your egg and put it in here. Put your hand over the top of it and shake the devil out of it. Now watch, I'm telling you this, it's not gonna work. Okay. So then you take the egg out. I'm gonna do this over the bowl because I don't wanna make a mess. And the eggshell, just like, once you break that little inner membrane, what? It's that easy. But we have found that if you boil it that way, in boiling water, and you just crack it like a normal, like you normally do an egg, it peels just as easy. I mean, look at that. Boom. So peel your eggs. That's the gist of the story. Peel the eggs any way you want to. Okay, first thing we're going to do is chop up some celery. Now, I've went ahead and cleaned this. We want this stuff chopped really fine. You don't want big chunks of celery. It also calls for onions, or big chunks of onions in your egg salad. I mean, if you like it that way, you could certainly do that, have big chunks, but I just don't want to bite into big chunks of crunchy things in there. So we're going to slice this really thin. Just mince it. Mince the devil out of it. Remember, tuck your fingers. So we want about 2 tablespoons of chopped, minced celery. Look about, nah, get a little bit more. Okay, that looks like about 2 tablespoons. So we're going to take that, scrape it in the bowl. Now we want 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, minced onion. Not nearly as much onion as celery, but we want it, again, mince it. As fine as you can get it. If you want to put it in a food processor, I would say go for it. I'm not getting it out. I've had to do a lot. Oh, it's so good out the Ninja. But no, not for this. Okay, give it another little cut through right here. And make sure we don't have any huge chunks, which we do. I think onion's a little harder to chop, to mince than celery. That's good enough. So about a tablespoon of minced onion. And that goes in the bowl. Now, into this bowl, we're going to put 3 ounces of soft cream cheese. This is where the recipe gets real. It's got cream cheese and butter in it. So we got 3 ounces of cream. Let me grab a spatula. 3 ounces of cream cheese. Minus the wrapper. And 2 tablespoons of soft butter. All right. Now what I want to do is just squish this stuff together. Because we want to mix that butter and that cream cheese together. I'm telling you, if you make this stuff and take it somewhere, they're going to be shocked at how good your egg salad is, because it is really good. Now, into that, we're going to put 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, mix that together. All right, we want to put the juice of a lemon. So using my handy dandy juicer, the top always gets stuck on. If I can do it. All right. You want about a tablespoon total. Now this juicer, I think I found this on Amazon. It's actually really is work. It's got things in here that grab onto the top of the lemon, and it spins. I don't know if you can see this. It spins the lemon around as it's juiced, and the juice comes out below. So that's probably a little much. So let's put. We want about a tablespoon. So let's put that. All right, into the bowl. That's not going to mix well, but anyway. Stir that together. Now, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And there you go. Stir that together. We're going to put our eggs in last because we don't want to break up the eggs that much. So that's the base of the egg salad. So now our eggs that we had boiled, we're going to use one of these handy dandy egg slicers, which again, Amazon, this is OXO. These things, I love them. My aunt had one years ago from, I want to say she got it, I don't know where she got it from. I don't know. Anyway, put it that way, take it out, put it this way, your eggs are chopped. Boom, done. So repeat that with all 6 eggs. You can certainly do this by hand, but when you got a gadget, use the gadget. Felt like that has an eggshell on it. It does have an eggshell on it. Now, all your eggs are in there. Everything's in. We're just going to fold that together. Kids, that's the egg salad. That's it. Now, I want to put this in the refrigerator and let this sit for a few hours. We want to let those flavors blend together, let that onion join. But look how good that looks. Yes, sir. All right. So we're going to put that in the refrigerator, let it set for a little bit, and then we're going to give it a taste. All right. This has been sitting. We took it out of the fridge. Let's taste it with a saltine cracker. The way to taste it. Great texture. That's what she looks like. Can you all see it? Now the taste. Well, you got to smell. You can smell the celery and the onions and the egg. Oh, it smells so good. Y'all, if you don't like egg salad, you need to try that because it's so different. It's so good. The creaminess of it, but that little hint of sourness from the lemon, so good. I see why my mom loved the egg salad recipe. You guys give it a try. If you do try it, make sure you put your comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Other than that, guys, if you're not a subscriber, take a second, hit the subscribe button down below at the end, the tasting around emblem at the end of the video. Other than that, you guys have a great week. Be safe out there, but above all, take care of each other.